Okay, today we have an Echo Show 5. My bad. It looks like it has a 5.5 inch screen. Oh, it has Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio, line out, built-in camera cover. Let's get into it. Here's an easy access tab. That is a very easy access tab. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Okay, so here's the Echo Show. It's pretty big, my hand for reference. We have instructions on how to install it, things to try on it. It's pretty nifty. Let's see what else we have in here. And here's the plug. I think that is all we have in there. Yep, here's the plug. Yeah, well, that is all we have for you today. Thank you.